The way I came here and the same way I'm going back. And literally, guys, I'm not liking it. I just don't want to leave this place. So this time I came here for Dhamma Sammelan. So it's not like Vipassana. So in that Sammelan, what we can do or what we cannot do is like, so we can mainly talk. That's the thing, which is something we avoid in Vipassana. So in Dhamma Sammelan, we can talk. We can use our cell phones. It's just that we cannot use and we cannot talk in Dhamma hall and during food. So that's the place only where we avoid to use. Other than we can talk, and their main purpose to host this Dhamma Sammelan is mainly so that people or Vipassana sadhik, they can talk and they can interact so that they can have their own group, or they can, because most of the time what happened, we go through with many pressures or problem hoti hai life mein, and we always want somebody. So if we have this wonderful technique called Vipassana, so agar un same kind of people, if we are in the surrounding of same kind of people, so वो ज़्यादा हमारे लिए helpful होंगे. So that's the reason इन्होंने host किया, और बहुत ही beautifully 50 years of गोइंका जी गुरु जी एक्सपीरियंस उन्होंने शेयर किया उसमें. वी गॉट टू नो अ लॉट मोर अबाउट द जर्नी, कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, बर्मा से इंडिया कैसे आया और इंडिया से कैसे ग्रो किया और कैसे वर्ल्ड वाइड गया. सो ऑल द थिंग्स वी गॉट टू नो. सो नॉलेज वाइज बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ये क्रूशियल था. लाइक मेरे लिए दिस इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट. आई लव इट. एंड बहुत क्लैरिटी मिला. लिटरली आई एम टेलिंग यू, बहुत क्लैरिटी मिला. सो if you are getting opportunities, 3 days का होता है धम्म सम्मेलन, if you are getting opportunity, please grab it, go learn, because meditation भी हो रहा है, you're interacting with more people, you're learning more about Vipassana and Anapan and everything. So it's a really beautiful experience so far, and I'm loving it. Now I have to go, which is really difficult. Like